Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to enable and disable contact syncing on your Snapchat. So for this guys, first you need to open the Snapchat app on your device. After opening, on the top left side corner you can get one contact icon, profile icon. Just tap on it. Okay, and here in the top right side corner you can get one settings gear icon. Just tap on it and just slightly scroll down. Here you can get the option contact syncing. Just tap on it. From here guys, you can easily enable and disable the contact syncing on your Snapchat. As you can see, if you want to enable this, just check this box. In case if you want to disable this, just you need to uncheck this box. That's it. So that's it for today guys. The short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.